What's up, you guys? I changed my name to Astro AOZA here, so Astro AOZA is the new channel name. That's why you had the introduction of Dylan Perry, and then you saw like Astro AOZA name for channel. If you were like one of the later ones to view my last video. So, you might have been confused, and that's why. Okay? So anyways, today I am going to be making my own custom subscriber play button. I am making myself a 10 subscriber reward. And just come over here and let me show you what I've done so far. There we go. It says, congratulations, Astro AOZA for 10 subscribers. I'm not sure if you guys can see that very well, because I am doing this in selfie mode, so it is kind of hard, but the rest of it won't really be in selfie mode. And I'm next going to make like the YouTube play button. It's going to be just red with the white button. And I'm sorry my cuts look kind of weird. It's like I'm using it in iMovie, and then like that's just like what the cuts look like in iMovie. And yeah. Let's get into time lapse. Alright, you guys, so here's the final product of the red play button that I'm about to put onto this gray sheet of paper right here. Here it is. Made that out of cardboard, glue, a red Sharpie marker, and paper. That's all. So next I'm going to be gluing it onto here. Probably it's going to look like something like this. And then I'm going to like make a frame. And then I might put something over it if I can. And yeah, anyways, let's just glue it down. So let me just set my iPod back to the position it was. Let me give myself a little border. Okay. And then this cardboard thing will be the other border piece. It's just so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'll put like where I'm doing all the action in the right part. There we go. Okay. Got my Elmer's glue. Alright. Let's glue this on. Alright. Let's just set that on. Just like this. Alright. Perfect. Alright, here it is. Okay. Now I'm going to make the frame. And alright. Let's get into time lapse. Hello, so hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you like more stuff like this, please do consider subscribing. And keep in mind that I made this a long time ago, like a month ago, I would say. And sorry for the background, Kelly Tubbies is on. And really, Kelly Tubbies? Oh my god. Oh my goodness, Kelly Tubbies. Anyways, that was made like a month ago, so now I have like 50 subscribers or something when I'm making this, so that's just a 10-1 reward. And, yeah. Bye!